As the industry transitions from fluorescent to LED lighting for insect traps, many sites are left asking the same question. What is the correct next step? The shift to LED has created new options and a new uncertainty. Differences in performance, materials and design matter. Opti-Catch is a purpose-built LED retrofit lamp for insect light traps. It replaces fluorescent UV tubes without replacing the trap. Same trap, new Opti-Catch lamp, an immediate upgrade. Retrofit means reusing existing equipment, keeping traps on the wall and not in landfill. It reduces disruption, lowers capital spend and supports the waste hierarchy. Reuse before replace. And savings don't come at the expense of performance. Independent testing shows Opti-Catch delivers 10% improved fly-catch performance compared to fluorescent. Opti-Catch is made from glass, not plastic, with a diffused shatterproof FEP coating. Unlike plastic, glass doesn't absorb UV, helping performance stay consistent. Using the traditional lamp form, Opti-Catch is supply chain friendly and does not tie you into one brand. The cylindrical design spreads UV light more evenly, supporting reliable catch rates. Visible blue LED chips offer instant reassurance, allowing clear confirmation the lamp is working at a glance. Opti-Catch is proven, compliant, and purpose-designed for professional, food-safe environments. A smarter, cost-effective way to transition to LED. Discover more at opticatch.com.